Hello honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a makeup look. Makeup was always my first love, then lace stole my heart. My first step was to add moisturizer to our skin to keep it hydrated under all that makeup. I then applied concealer to the eyelids to prep them for the eyeshadow. Now I'm using a setting powder to set our eyelids. Now I'll be going in with this brilliant blue from my Morphe palette. Now I will be going in with a clean blending brush to blend all that color out. This blue is very pigmented, so it needs a lot of blending for it to look as light as possible. I'm just using a smaller brush right now to increase the intensity above our crease. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at honeyscloset_beautybar, also at honeyscloset_clothing, and on Facebook as Honey's Closet and Beauty Bar. Now I'm just going in with some concealer and carefully cutting our crease. You have to be very precise with this step because it could make or break your cut crease. I am just going in with the glitter primer right now, prepping our eyelids to receive that brilliant and beautiful gold glitter. Now I'm just carefully applying the gold glitter to our eyelid. You have to be very careful because you don't want a messy look. You only want glitter in the places that you actually want it. You don't want it on the brows, you don't want it on the face, you just want it right on the lid. So take your time and be very precise. So I switched over to the other side and I'm just doing the exact same thing like I did on the previous lid. If you would like a more detailed video on how I do my face bead from start to finish, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I will be finishing this makeup look off camera, and I will also be doing her hair off camera The discount code for this video is gold. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continuous support. See you next time.